I'm unboxing the Lovevook Weekender Travel Bag. You could also use this as a diaper bag. My daughter has one and she sold me on all the features and benefits. One of the best is that it fits underneath the seat of the plane. It's packed really well. The material feels so good. This is the toiletries bag with the strap inside. And there's a separator in the bag to separate compartments. And there's an open pocket and then a zippered pocket where you can put damp things in like a swimsuit. It has snaps on the side so you can expand the size of the bag. It fits over a roller bag. Zippered pocket in the front for your ID and credit cards. A compartment for shoes with vents. And then it will keep your bag from dragging on the ground. So cute, so durable, stylish.